This glowing structure represents the neural wiring inside a human brain. Consider the possibility. Your native language actually shaped this exact physical layout. Two people can look at the exact same world, but possess differently wired brains simply because they learned different mother tongues as children. Language acts as a physical blueprint for the brain's infrastructure. Our brains physically adapt to the demands of the environments we grow up in. This map highlights Leipzig, home to the Max Planck Institute for Human Cognitive and Brain Sciences. Researchers compared 94 native Arabic and German speakers. They used high-resolution magnetic resonance imaging to look at the brain's white matter. You can think of white matter as the physical cables connecting different processing centers, a system known as the connectome. The scientists were not testing intelligence or recording individual thoughts. They mapped the actual neural highways that allow the different language centers of the brain to talk to each other. By charting these connections, they found physical proof that the lifelong habit of speaking a specific language leaves an enduring mark on human anatomy. This diagram shows the primary finding for Arabic speakers. The brain develops significantly stronger bridges connecting the left and right sides. These highways link regions handling sound and meaning. Because Arabic uses a root and pattern system, core meaning and sound must be decoded simultaneously. Written Arabic frequently omits short vowels. To read it, the brain must constantly search for context and prior knowledge to fill the gaps, pulling heavily on the right side of the brain. Stitching together sound, root meaning, and context builds a robust physical bridge. The brain physically optimizes its structure to meet the language's specific requirements. Now look at this split-screen comparison showing German speakers. Instead of reaching across both sides, their brains built denser, localized connections concentrated within the left hemisphere. The visualization traces a specialized highway arching from the front to the back on the left side. German places related sentence parts far apart. Tracking them requires extreme efficiency, so the brain builds a dedicated network to link these distant elements. Because German sentence building requires such a specialized processing hub, the brain acts as a master city planner, laying down heavy infrastructure where it's used most. These structural differences do not mean one language is superior or that one group of speakers is inherently smarter. This shifting network illustrates neuroplasticity. It is the brain's lifelong ability to reorganize its wiring based on what it does every single day. Whether it is building bridges for Arabic root meanings or paving a local highway for German sentence structure, the brain molds itself to become the perfect tool for the task at hand. Language acts like a persistent architect, constantly rebuilding the very brain cells and pathways it travels through. Our capacity to physically adapt to our environment is our most brilliant human trait. Thank you for watching this HALAL-SCI video. Please subscribe for more science, and we'll see you next time.